this radical Islamism, is there provisions for it in the Quran or in the Hadith?
I mentioned the verses. Go and kill your neighbor. Go and kill infidel. Different verses in the Quran that mention almost 10 places in the Quran that Quran mention go and kill. In the Quran chapter 2 verse 119 say that slay the unbelievers wherever you find them. In the Quran chapter 5 verse 33 say men and crucify the infidel if they criticize Islam. Quran chapter 8 verse 65 say unbelievers are stupid. Muslims are urged to fight them. Quran chapter 9 verse 123 where I read make war on the infidel living in your neighbor. In the Quran chapter 3 verse 28 say that Muslim must not take the infidel as friend. Wow. In the Quran chapter 8 verse 12 say terrorize and behead those who believe in scripture other than Quran. In the Quran chapter 9 verse 5 say when the opportunity arise kill the infidels wherever you find it. In the Quran chapter 22 verse 19 say punish the unbeliever with garments of fire, hot iron rods, boiling water melts their skin and bellies. So different places, even in the Quran chapter 3 verse 85 say that any religion other than Islam is not accepted. In the Quran chapter 8 verse 60 say Muslim must muster all weapons to terrorize the infidel. In the Quran chapter 9 verse 30 say the Jews and the Christian are afraid to fight them. In the Quran chapter 47 verse 4 say do not seek peace with the infidel. Behead them when you catch them.
This is Quran. This is not even Hadith.
This is not Hadith.
This is Quran.
When you go to the Hadith, say that even when you are walking around, a Christian or Jewish come across, don't give him away. Just push him and go. This is what Hadith say. So all those jihadist terrorists, ISIS, Al-Qaeda, Ansaruddin, Harakat al-Mujahideen, Hamas, Boko Haram, ISWAP, Lakurawa, Kidnapper, all even this Bello trilogy, they used to mention Allahu Akbar when they are killing people.
Yes.
So all this genocide that is happening in northern part of Nigeria, all of those things is teaching from Islamic.
Wow.
Is the problem that affect Niger, is the problem that affect Burkina Faso, Mali, all West African countries. So we are not in peace. When you go to Southern Africa, you will see peace there. No any fight, no any problem there, except when you go to Republic Democratic of Congo, where they are fighting against the mining there. So only problem there in South Africa. But here in West Africa, we are suffering with different problems.